good happy good day guys. So for today's vlog is featuring the 50th batch 74 anniversary this May 1st dito sa Villa Monica, right? Almost complete na po mga classmate namin. So happy anniversary to us. Ayan. So before that, so don't forget to watch my and subscribe my channel, Sinaida Fortune Kula. Go guys. Itong venue dito sa Villa Monica sa Pateros.
May I request Barbie to do the invocation. Thank you so much.
Sit down and let's bow down our heads. Pray. Our dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this afternoon that you have gathered us all here to commemorate the 50 years anniversary of our batch 74 Orphan High School. We are blessed to be here this afternoon.
Sinyo, dati po akong Marlene Dado, Chante na ngayon. Ako po hindi pa po nagre-retire, kaya minsan po sa mga meetings hindi po talaga ako maka-attend kasi may minamanage pa po ako na travel agency na ngayon ay pag-aari na ng son ko. So, nagpapasalamat ako at tinawagan ako ni Debs para mag-host ngayon kasi ito lang po talaga yung pwede kong magawa sa ngayon sa sobrang kabisihan. Ayun po, pare-pareho na po tayong 66 years old, baka yung iba 67 na. By the way, sino-sino ang mga 66 years old?
Yes, taas nga po ang kamay.
Taas nga po ang kamay ng mga 66.
Oh, mga batang-bata pa.
Ayan ang mga 66. 60 yan. Oo, but definitely wala tayong 65. Right?
Meron pa ba 65?
Meron pa. Ayan,
Meron ba?
may 65 tayo, mga accelerated. Ayan.
Ayun, si Sir.
Okay, 64, meron ba? Baka may super accelerated. And then, 67. Sino mga 67? Ayan,
Wow.
Diyos ko. Nakakita ka ba
Sir Joel, and congratulations to all
Lakas ng
Batch 74. Ako po yung DI mo dati nun eh.
Hindi ay pa rin.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang dami.
Alright. So at this moment, ma'am, maybe let's proceed for the blessing of food.
Okay.
Guys, ang aming food for this party. Can we open it? Yeah, the rice of course. Okay, another. Silip-silip lang, wow. My favorite, lumpiang sariwa. And the sauce. Okay, this one is, ayan. Sarap din niya, malambot. Maayos para sa mga senior citizen. Ayun, naka-prepare na. Good naman. Yes, naka-prepare na siya. Good.
Alright, Miss Mamay, take a look
Sarap
at
yan. Malasa.
Be ready po.
Okay, and of course, naka-ready pa. Mamaya siya. Aming food. Yan, guys.
Of your greatness and goodness in our Batch 74 organization. We also lift up our alma mater to bless the staff, students, and management, and may it continue to mold young people to be of service to you and our beloved nation. Today, as we are joined together to receive the sumptuous dinner prepared for everybody, we thank you, O God, for all the blessings, especially the gift of life. Bless the people involved in giving their time, effort, and unselfish service and love to make this event successful. May we have more events together according to thy will. Bless, O Lord, the hands that prepare the food for us tonight, and may it serve added blessings and nutrition to our physical body. We are so grateful to you and we
Anyone who sins the Mona Lisa, if you take I know, Michelangelo, and even me, to glow down, the face disguise to try and paint a portrait of my love.
Good evening. Good evening, ayan. Alam na, panonoorin ang aking channel. Ay, channel ko, Sinaida Portion ko lang.
Bigyan mo ako ng picture ay na kopya.
Oh, yeah.
Love you.
Yes. Yan si Carolina.
So, dito kayo naka-check-in na.
Yeah, dito na. Oo, tuloy. Oo nga. Ano ba kayo retire na ako? Hello. Ayan. Ako, hindi ko na makakilala itong mga to. Hindi, wala mga pangalan. Really enorme. Manuel Lopez. Ba't wala kang ano? Wala kang pangalan. Pero kilala ko siya. Kilala ko siya. Wala si Nelda eh. Entertain.
Teka, gusto ko yung mga idol.
Sabay tayo